present about introduction history of a nation. Firstly, Malaysian Malay are Malay living in Malaysia. Second, the largest community in Malaysia is the Malay. And from the historical point of view, the Malay clans include the people who inhabit the Malay Peninsula and the Malay Archipelago. Next, worldview. Firstly, the Malay race is actually not a race that only exists in the archipelago. Second, the Malay nation is one of the youngest races in the world. That's all from me. Thank you.
Ingredient and common food. First, coconut. Coconut can make many types of savory dishes such as a sweet dessert. Coconut meat is enchanted to make a chicken rendang, beef rendang and fish curry. Second, the pandan leaf. It used for coloring and flowering. It is the main ingredient to make an aroma of nasi lemak. Third, this is a curry leaf used when to cook the chicken curry, fish curry and shrimp curry. Next, the palm sugar. Palm sugar made from the sap of coconut tree flower bark. It's famous to make onde-onde. Next is a lemongrass. It's used to pour fragrant citrus flavor to the dish. It is used in chicken rendang, satay and ayam penyet. Lastly is a turmeric root. It gives a vivid color to spice blend. It's used to cook the chicken and fish before frying. Thank you.
Meal composition and style for Malay food culture divided by 3 parts, which is main dish, protein and vegetables. Rice is a staple food of Malaysian, especially for Malay. Plain steamed white rice is usually served with various side dishes of vegetables and proteins. For proteins, they are also called as side dish or lauk. Malay food culture, they are consist of protein-based food such as meat, fish and egg, also including processed food. For the vegetables, Malay has famous traditional vegetables that called ulam. Ulam is made from a young delicate shoot called pucuk and humanized leaf of white plant and is grown wide in the countryside.
Okay, for rule of food and ethic, the first is rice is a staple food for almost all of Asia, especially in Malaysia. It is served with various side dish of protein and vegetables, commonly during lunch and dinner. For breakfast, Malay people prefer to eat nasi lemak, which rice is the main point. Second, by maintaining and practicing traditional culture, we are also creating interpersonal relationship, especially for those with a long age range. Third, while practicing the culture, practically we are maintaining our heritage. Despite there being various kitchen where there is more advanced, it gives different taste and uniqueness compared to when using traditional tools. Fourth, for ethic, there are 2 things that need to be highlighted. The first is the table manner, whereby common Malay use kain separah as a tablecloth and place it before food is served on it. All food was present at the same time. And the last is while eating. Malay use their right hand to eat and make sure to wash hand first before eating. Most Malay are Muslim, so remember to not offer or receive either pork or alcohol.
In the tradition of the Malay community, there are various types of traditional food that have been inherited of generation to this day. Nutritional therapies is a hidden system based on the belief that we need food to obtain and maintain our health. Apart from that, through the use of the food therapy, the combination of the use of cooking utensils such as pots and pans with natural ingredients have actually helped to give a distinctive taste of traditional Malay cuisine. Among the natural ingredients are bamboo, young coconut leaf, walnut leaf and banana leaf. The benefit of other therapies are coffee lime leaf, white and sweet cumin and many more that can flavor food.
Malay cooking style, it can be highlighted that the most Malay cooking style is stir-fried or fried, beginning with the main menu such as nasi lemak, which is the sambal by using cumin style, which is pan fried with small amount of oil, nasi goreng, nasi minyak, which is the side dish also by tumis style, and ending with dessert, which are side menus such as kuih muih, like kuih kari pap, kuih keria, kuih badak, and many more based on frying style. Malay are so famous with fried menu, which by using frying cooking style, dishes made with this style are often fattier, slightly oily, as well as crispy and crunchy.
Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. So I present about types of typical menu. Okay, Malaysia consists of various nations and religions such as Malay, Chinese and Indian. As a result of the diversity of these races, there are various types of foods that are famous by each race and have their own unique characteristic and taste. Rendang. Rendang is a famous dish that will never absent from the celebrations of Hari Raya. It uses large amount of coconut milk and a piece of mixed ground spices. The time required to cook rendang is long as the ingredients need to be pounded, grounded and cooked slowly. Okay, next asam pedas. Asam pedas is a famous food throughout Malaysia, especially in Malacca and Johor. The process to make asam pedas is not too complicated and not too easy. Then nasi lemak. Nasi lemak is rice cooked in thick coconut milk and is a very famous dish in Malaysia, especially in Malay community. The early history of the existence of nasi lemak is said started when Malay community began to live on the coast by maximizing the use of materials that are easily available in their area of residence, such as coconut milk from coconut pig from trees, spinach that grows wild and fish caught in the sea. Then nasi lemak is created.
Halal dietary laws. Malay Muslim must prepare their meals according to the concept halal and haram. Malay cuisine is recognized by 5 characteristics, which is it is rich in herbs and spices. Coconut milk is one of the main ingredients. It is usually spicy. Meat is stewed in a thick gravy. Fried fish and seafood are seasoned with turmeric powder.
Firstly, I will explain about the nutritional status or the meaning of nutritional status. First, nutritional status is a person's health requirement of an individual who is confident with diet, nutrition levels in their body and normal metabolic integrity. So, normal nutritional status is managed by a balance of food intake and normal nutrition intake, and a balanced diet supplies the nutrition your body need to function effectively, so that the average person needs about 2000 calories daily to maintain
their weight, and normally male and who person exercise more need more calorie than female. So next, for to get the nutrition that our body needs, and most our daily calories should come from fruit, fresh fruit, grain, nut, protein, and other source. However, we can look or use the food pyramid as a guideline to your daily food intake.
And I will present on conclusion. So Malaysia is a multicultural group with a diverse of faith, ethnic, dialects, and also food. In food context, the cooking method and ingredient have been affected by numerous civilizations according to their historical past. Every cooking technique and item used in Malaysia cuisine has a distinct scent, taste, and also flavor. Because of the availability of local ingredients, Malaysia cuisine stand out from those other nations. It is essential to preserve Malay cuisine in order to pass this expertise to future generations. That's all from me. Thank you.